Hey everybody, my name is Hard Duck Man, and today we're going to be playing some GeoGuessr. Now, if you've never heard of GeoGuessr, it's basically an online browser game where it'll show you a completely random picture from anywhere across the world, and I have to try and get as close as I can to where I think that picture's from. This is going to be my very first time playing the game, so don't expect me to be very good. Okay, we have a few options. We got the world, famous places, United States, the European Union, UK, Spain, or France. Oh, let's do the world. Let's do the world. Let's see how well I know. Okay, let's see. Single player. I'm not doing it against people. I'm not good. Oh, all right. Where are we? This is the countryside. This is like prairies. My very first thought is this are the states. This is like Tennessee. This is Philadelphia. I'll be honest. I don't know what the hell's in Philadelphia. I don't know what's in Tennessee. I don't know any of the states. This looks like a Tennessee. Can I zoom in? Okay, those don't look like foreign cars to me. These look like American or Canadian vehicles. They don't look too... Maybe that van there looks a little foreign? Maybe? What else can we go off of? The lamppost. That looks like an American lamppost. Right? Oh, maybe these little stompy things. Those make me think of Russia. But this does not look like Russia at all. There's a boat sign. You know, I think I have an idea. Where's Tennessee? Where's Tennessee? Let's do... I'm gonna go for Tennessee. Right there? Wait. Oh, it was in Michigan. Oh my god. Oh, wow. I was super close. Wow. Wow. I mean, I'm a few states off, but wow. Wow. Oh, this instantly makes me think this is a European country. This does not look American. What is this dude? Hey, bro, can I see the words on the dumpster? No? He looks like he's from the UK. That looks like a UK man there. You see those symbols? That kind of looks like the flag. What is it, the Welsh flag? It kind of reminds me of the dragon from the Welsh flag. Yeah, this screams the UK. I'm gonna kind of go over there. Okay, the UK's here. It's there or some kind of European country. I don't think... Maybe Germany? No, I don't think it's Germany. Ooh. Oh, wait, I can move around? Oh, I didn't know I could move around. Okay, now that's useful. That's useful. You see that color there? The blue color reminds me of the blue license plates that you'd see in Britain. Let me snoop this person's license. Hey, sir? God damn it, I had to blur it. Why are you blurring your license plate? This could be... No. I was about to say Australia. I really don't think this is Australia because I think there's palm trees in Australia. I know it's not tropical, but... Ah, crap, this is hard. Oh, this could be this could actually be Australia. I don't really know what Australia looks like. I will be honest. Do I lose points if I go down the road? Okay, we got some restaurants here. We got some like, oh, look at this, fancy. It's a French place. Obviously, this isn't in France, because you see how different these restaurants are. This is just trying to scream at you. Oh, hey, we're French. This is a French place. Come in here and have some of our unique cuisine, which isn't from this area, so it's not French. These cars, that jacket. Oh, wait a minute. Is it French? No way. No. This is in France? How many countries speak French? Okay, but where in France would this be? It seems like a nice lush area, maybe somewhere here? Like near the coast? That wasn't far. That was actually super close. That was good. I'm proud of that one. Ooh. Oh, okay. Now this is interesting. Right off the bat, we have this tropical tree. It looks tropical. There's also, I just call those spruce trees. Looks like a spruce tree. But then you have these kind of prairies. Maybe this is Florida? McLaughlin Ave. McLaughlin. I know of people from North Carolina that have the last name McLaughlin. So this could be that. San Francisco. I wonder where it is. Where is San Francisco? I don't think I know. Where is San Francisco? Oh, it's here. Okay. So obviously it is near San Francisco. But we need to find close as we can. Where is Sacramento? What the hell is a Sacramento? So Sacramento's here. So that means the road that they're on, they're kind of like in between these three places here. How do you tell which one's the closest? I think does this one mean that San Francisco's closest? I think I'm gonna go for like right here. Right there on the road. Because then you have Sacramento, San Francisco, and then Los Angeles down here. Or it could be it's down here going up, but I feel like then they would have San Diego or something on the sign. What? What? Oh, it resumes in 2 seconds. Oh. Okay, good. Did I get it? How? Oh, okay, I was pretty... Oh, it was right in between them. You know, I'm fine with that. I'm fine. I did kind of... Australia. The only place I have ever seen terrain and vegetation like this before is in Australia. So let's find Australia on the map. Is this Australia? That's Australia. Okay, where in Australia? Do I lose points if I go down the road? I'm gonna go down the road. What is that down there? Is that a house? What's going on down there? No house? This is just a long strip of road. There's no civilization. Where is the civilization? Where is the signs of people? There's a road. Well, a dirt road. Where am I? Oh, there's a car. There's a car. No, car, get back here. You're my best hope to figure out where the hell we are. Okay, that doesn't help me at all. Is that a Nissan? Wait. He's driving on the left side of the road. Where do they drive on the left? Do they drive on the left side of the road in Australia? I thought that was only you know, that would make sense. Since a lot of people from Australia came from Great Britain, maybe they kept the culture around. They kept their the whole driving on the left side. Question is, where? Alice Springs, right here. Let's go right there. Right there on the road. South Africa? I like that location. Scenic views. I just realized I really don't know what Africa looks like. There's a whole country called Chad. Ethiopia? That just sounds cool. Uganda? What? Ghana? Ghana what? Namibia? Botswana? Mozambique? Wow, I know nothing about Africa. I am realizing that. Here's our last look. Is this the tunnel from Grand Theft Auto 5? Is this Oh! Wow, this is really pretty. What does this sign say? This is so nice. What does this sign say? I don't think that is in English, huh? First place that came to mind is Sweden. Just these mountains. Yeah, look at those tractors. I want to live here. I want to move. This is super nice. Can I somehow get... What is that? Gullvikpraten. Okay, so this is somewhere... Where is Sweden? Denmark, Norway, Sweden. Oh, okay. So I think it's in this area. I don't know if German has those little numbers. I think it could be Sweden or Norway. I have friends from Sweden. Okay, of Rudolph, this is not Africa. This is definitely not Africa. This is not Australia. I think I can kind of alt off this side of Asia. North America, no. South Africa. It's got to be somewhere, one of these countries. I don't think it's France. I don't think it's Spain or Portugal. Italy, no. Romania, no. It's got to be somewhere... You know, Sweden, somewhere around here, like Finland, Sweden, Norway makes sense because it looks really green. Let's try... I want to try and see if I can find another sign. That's... Oh, what does this say? That doesn't help me! Vilmandak, Salzne, Joa. That sounds German? Not German. Swedish? It could be Finnish. It could be Oh, I don't know. I feel like this is going to be really wrong. I just want to go for right there. Right here in Sweden. Ooh! Woo! That was actually not too far away. Yeah, it was in Norway. It was in Norway. Okay, whatever. I was right about the mountains. I was definitely right. Nailed it. Apparently Norway and Swedish. Norway and Sweden, they look similar. Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed? Wow. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. That was GeoGuessr. If you guys enjoyed that and you like me playing that, definitely let me know in the comments, because if you enjoy it, I will play some more because I had a lot of fun with this. So please let me know. But with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and if you really enjoyed the video, please share it with a friend. It helps a lot. With that out of the way, I'll see you guys in whatever I do next. Peace, peace.